Hey, in this video we'll be reviewing the 95-liter case from Rome Adventures, as well as the rugged mounts on this Jeep Gladiator with a BillieBars rack system. Let's get into it. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. I'm Robert with Sherburne Outdoors, and today we're going to be talking about the Rome 95-liter rugged case, as well as the rugged case mounts for my BillieBars rack system for my Jeep Gladiator. I did a video about a month ago on my two Rome Adventure Company 105-liter cases that I actually put in the back of the Gladiator when we're out overlanding and camping. They fit perfectly, they hold a lot of gear. I found myself throwing a lot more gear in the back of the Gladiator, especially in the cold weathers. We got the diesel heater, we got wood, and I was just piling up the back seat. I did want to put in additional storage. Well, these BillieBars systems are a little bit wider than a standard car rack, and I found myself being able to take this Rome case and actually put it on the side. But before we do that, let's dive into this 95-liter. It's very similar to the 105 liters that we had before. Let's look at its features, and then let's look at how much it costs, because it was expensive. This case works exactly the same as the other 105s. It's great. It's made out of hard injector plastic. It's got these great handles. It's got grab handles everywhere you go. Very industrial steel latches. We open those up, and then some of the beauties of it, it does have gas struts built in. It's got this dust and waterproof seal here, so it can put it out. And the one thing I love about this is I did buy the lid organizer in here, and it was expensive. So all these pieces together, this one a little bit shallow, and it still has some of the issues that I didn't like before, and that there was a big lip. But with all that said, I love these cases. Just kind of stroll around to the side here. You can see also has a deep hook. The one thing that I did change on this with the rugged mounts is I did have to put this in here so that we can get to the mounting system. I'll get to that in a few minutes and we can dive in. If we look at the dimensions of this box, the length is 45.58, the depth is 17.77, and the height is 11.42. This is perfect size for a lot of different things that you can do with these types of cases. All right, let's talk cost, because this thing's expensive. If we look at the case itself on the website, it is $399. If we add in the lid organizer, it is $149. And then we'll get to these rugged mounts up here in a second. They are $219 for a total cost of $767. I will say that I did get a deal on Black Friday, and I only ended up paying $710 after tax and everything included for my county tax. So it was a little bit of a deal. At that point, probably saved about $100 before taxes and everything. Let's take a look really quick at these rugged mounts, and then we'll put them together. So these are the rugged mounts. So this is my BillieBars rack system, and it's low profile. And these are the rugged mounts for the 95-liter, and then they make one also for the 85-liter. And if we look here, I've got T-tracks right through here, and this is a universal mount plate, and I've used this one and this one right here. Fits perfectly, and it is sturdy. And you got these feet where the box fits into. The reason I went ahead and put these on is I did have to move the bars here to make all this fit. It was a little bit of an effort to take all this apart. But now I've got everything in here and it's tight. And this is a pretty universal. It clicks into here, and then you pull this thing up, and it pulls it down tightly. When you're ready to install this, you just pick it up. It's right in these latches. Very simple. So before we do anything, just look at how snug that is through here. It's a nice snug fit all the way around. And again, I had to really kind of move my bars around. Got it latched in on this one, and then I kind of moved this one back until this was really tight, and I tightened everything down, and it was a lot of tightening. But the way these work is you do have these handles. I left these on here. I'm just going to tuck these in here. And you've got this latch, which you do put in there, and you can't keep everything together. And this system right here, this goes up inside of there, and you bring it together, and now you're latched in, and you have a lock port here. We'll come over on the other side, do the exact same thing. pops in, bring this up, and lock in like so. And it is tight. It's not moving anywhere. This isn't like where you put the straps on and, you know, it might move around a little bit. This is very, very, very snug. Now the box is installed. We've got our latches here. And if we need to get into it, whether we're at the campsite or we're on the road, just pop it up. Have access to everything inside of here. Got access to our stuff. You can either stand on the ledge there or stand up on the tire and get everything inside of here we need. Once we're done, let's bring it down, shut. It's a lot of shutting. And we're off and going. How awesome does that look? Everything matches colors, almost military-like. So I love this thing. It fits great, and there's so much extra room right here. This is where the rooftop tent is going, and I'm going to leave everything attached to these bars and just hoist off the entire bar when I'm done. All right, hey, I appreciate everybody taking the time to watch us. Hey, if you like this kind of content, go ahead and hit that like button. Don't forget to hit subscribe and click that bell to be notified when we got new videos available. Thanks for everybody's time. Have a great day.